Hey guys, this is Mike from Element Pure. Today I just want to show you how to order your shirts, your custom shirts for your Kickstarter pledge. The first step obviously is you have to get this app. So you can find this app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You just have to search for Element Pure and download the latest app. Then you would have to sign up for an account and log in. So once you log in, you're gonna come to the purchases screen. So obviously right now this is a brand new account. So this is exactly the process that you guys have to go through. So you don't have a shirt right now, so you just hit shop now and it's gonna bring you to the store page. The store page is gonna have a small description about the steps you have to do, but I'm gonna show you exactly here as well. So let's say we're gonna go down and we're gonna choose this business shirt, all season white twill business shirt. There's gonna be more shirts available by the time you guys can start ordering. But so all you have to do now is come to this customize button. You hit that, and it's gonna bring you into the customization process. So the first customization process you get to choose is the length of the shirt. So this is a business shirt, so I'm gonna keep it tucked. The next is the fit. So if you like, whether you like a regular fit, if you like a little bit slimmer fit, you choose slim fit, but I'll just keep a regular fit. And the next one is how the front of the shirt's gonna look. So because this is a business shirt, I will prefer a no placket front, so I'll choose that. And next is your button choices. So you're gonna have lots of button choices that you can choose from. But to keep the shirt looking sharp, I'll stick with ice blue. And for the button thread, I'm gonna actually change it to ice blue as well, so they match. So next is gonna be the trim option. Now, one important thing about the trim option is if you select any of these trim options, they're gonna be applied to both the interior of your sleeves as well as your collar. So left, right sleeves and your interior of your collar are gonna be changed to this fabric. So just make sure you understand that. And I don't want any trims on this white shirt, so I'm gonna say no trim. I'm gonna go to the next. And the next step is to add your monograms if you wish to. You don't have to, but I'll go ahead and add my monogram here. So, and then what you can choose for your monograms is there's three font styles, and then there's three locations. So I'm going to keep it on the outside of the left cuff, that's fine. And I get to choose the color of the monogram. It's going to be embroidered on there. So because it's a white shirt, I'm going to keep it, maybe I'll keep it, ice blue to match the buttons. And that's pretty much it. And you can add the shirt to your cart. So I'm going to hit add to the cart, and it's going to bring you to the cart screen. And all of you guys are going to get a specific coupon code to make your shirts exactly $0 because you already pledged for it on Kickstarter, so you don't have to pay again. So obviously this is going to be a demo coupon code. It's not going to work for you guys, but I just made this for myself so I can show you. So you type in that little coupon code, and it's going to say, hey, it's been applied successfully. So you can see here minus 179, so your total is 0. So you just go proceed to checkout, and you sort of enter all your information here. Phone number is required just in case for international shipping. So I'm gonna put a random phone number here, and then I have to press I agree to the TNC, and you just press place order. So essentially, now your order is gonna go through. Might take some time to process, a few seconds. So there we go. So now you're gonna have your order number and your date and everything, and you should also receive an email confirmation, so you can check your email as well for that. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to purchases, and you're gonna be able to see that order right in your purchases. So the next step is to link your size profile, your current size, the size profile that you've already made, or you haven't. You can make the size profile now. There's going to be a different video for that, so check under there for that video about how to make your size profile. But anyways, so assuming you've already made your size profile, you just hit this, and you can see my size profile is already available. So it's gonna load this, and it's gonna ask some confirmation questions, so everything's gonna be correct for me. And it's gonna load your 3D model here, and then you can also check your sizes. So let's say, for example, you decide that you measure your own hip and it's a little bit off, so you can, no problem, you can go and edit that. So you hold that measurement for about a couple seconds. It's going to show you exactly how to measure it, and you can change it. Let's say I measured it's actually 105. So that's all fine. So now I've changed that and I'm going to save it. So how do I save it? I press back, I hit yes, and you're done. You're pretty much, it's going to say here is tailored for Mike, which is the name of my size profile, and you have 6 hours to make changes. So what this is that within 6 hours you can actually cancel this order. So at the end of 6 hours, this order gets sent to our manufacturer, and they're gonna start manufacturing your shirt. So by that time, it's gonna be too late to cancel. But anytime before then, you can hit this cancel button, and it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to unlink the size profile from the purchase? And you can hit yes. So in this scenario, you can use a different size profile, or you can use the same size profile if you wish, but it will not be sent until you link your size profile. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, just post them in the comments, or send us an email, or use the live chat function, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.